Okay, students, we have one final update for your computers to get ready for SOL testing. So we're going to follow these 3 simple steps and then we will be ready to go. Okay, so the first step is you're going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner of your computer screen. There's either going to be a little box that says Search Windows, or you have a little magnifying glass as I have. You'll click on it. Then in here you're going to type GP update, does not matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, space, / and then the word force. Okay? Once you have done that, GP update, space, / force, you will press return. A new window is going to pop up. It's going to take a second to update the policy. Okay? You'll then get a message that says policy is complete, and then some more text, and then there's one more step for you all to do before this is complete. So this may take a second or two to finish up with its policy update. So once it is done, you now have one final task. It's asking you, is it okay to log off? Okay, you're going to press the letter Y, then press return again, and it's automatically going to restart your computer, and you are ready to go for SOL tests. Thank you very much.